Hi, I'm John Kobaska, owner of Windows and Doors by the Men with Tools. What are some detailed tips and steps on how to choose and search for the right window and door company for your next project? Most people start their search by looking for big names in the industry. It's natural for people to trust a recognizable brand over a small company. But big names mean big advertising budgets, which means less money allocated toward the quality products and services you deserve. Here are some of the steps you should take when searching for and choosing a local window and door contractor. Number 1, define the scope of your project before you start looking for window companies. While things are always subject to change, having a clear starting point can help you stay on track and figure out what you're looking for in a window contractor. It will also help you communicate more effectively when you are further in the process. 2, look on Google for local businesses in your area. Check their reviews to make sure they are reputable. Many small businesses, including ours, thrive off of referrals. Unlike big companies that can rely on their branding alone, some businesses have to go above and beyond to provide excellent service to be sustainable. You can also check local directories for window and door contractors who are part of your community. 3, make a list of window and door companies. Don't ever settle for the first contractor you see. We encourage our customers to shop around and compare to get the best information possible. Number 4, write down your questions. As a homeowner, you will no doubt have questions and concerns regarding the window and door project you're planning. Keeping track of all of your questions is a great way to help guide your research. You can find many answers to your questions by researching online. But remember, everyone is an expert online, and you have no guarantees that a stranger on the internet has the proper credentials. So it's best to check the company website for the information you need or wait to speak to someone in person. Transparency is critical in forming a good working relationship between your window company and you, the homeowner. Number 5, schedule a meeting. In this day and age, digital is king, so most of us are hesitant to have someone in our home. But sitting down for a consultation is the best way to determine what you can expect. Now, look out for pushy salesmen who use scarcity tactics to try to pressure you into buying right now. Our quotes are free and good for a whole year, so you have plenty of time to shop around. A good home improvement company will send an expert who can answer all of your questions, but ultimately they should respect that the choice is yours to make. Remember to request multiple quotes so you can review all of your options. Number 6, look into financing. Before you sign any contracts, take a few days to compare companies and build your budget. Some companies offer flexible financing options so you can get started sooner rather than later. Just make sure it's worth your while. Ideally, you want a low-interest financing option with zero prepayment penalties. The point is not to take on heavy debt, but to be able to offset some of that initial cost so you don't have to put your project off for so long that prices go up while you're trying to save the money. Number 7, review your proposal or contract. Do not sign anything until you've taken the time to digest all the information you collect. It's great if you're confident and want to sign right away, but it's also okay to take a few days to let things marinate. Some states have laws that allow you to rescind an agreement up to 3 days later, but it's better for your sanity if you make sure you are happy with your decision than to go through the hassle of canceling. If you own a home in Staten Island or New Jersey and you are looking for an installer you can trust, then you need Windows and Doors by the Men with Tools. Call today to schedule your free in-home consultation and receive a quote for your next window and door project.